show you the mathematical abilities of some of my students. Alright, stay fast, stay put and watch them give you some tutorials.
My name is Fakaya Ruda Michael. I am here to solve this problem. As we all know, this angle ABC is right angle. Angle ABC equals to angle ABE. Plus angle DBC plus angle EBD as we all know, our right angle is always 90 degrees. Our ABE is 30 degrees. Plus our DBC is X. We don't know. Plus our EBD is also X. We don't know. This and this look alike. We said 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. Because if plus move to this side, it will become minus equals to X plus X. 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees equals to 2X. We use 2 to divide the both sides. 60 divided by 2. 2X divided by 2. We said 60 divided by 2 divided by 2 equals X equals 60 divided by 2 equals 30. 30 degrees. This is my final answer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Principal Isaiah. I'm here to solve this problem. In this problem, we have to solve angle DBA. So we say angle ABE equals CBD plus DBA. So I say that ABC equals 90 equals as CDA is 25 plus ADBA we don't know so we move this 25 degrees to this 90 degree that makes it minus 25. So we say 90 degree minus 25 degree, that is 65 degree. So angle DBA equals 65 degree.
Hello everyone, my name is David Juliet Harrison. I am here to solve this problem. In this problem, I am asked to find angle SQ. As we all know, angle PQR is a right angle, and the right angle is always 90 degrees. So write our 90 degrees. And our angle PQS is and our know our angle. Let's also put this. So in this problem, 35.5 alike with 90, so we bring it to 90. So we bring one from here, it becomes 10. Then we take one here, it becomes 10 minus 5 will give us 5. Then here it remains 9. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. We put our point. Then here it remains 8. 8 minus 3 will give us 4. So our x equals 54.5. Let us check if it is correct. So we add 54.5 plus 35. 5 plus 5 will give us 10. Write 0. 4 plus 5 will give us 9. So we add 1 will give us 10. 0. 5 plus 3